True learning happens in a fun environment. That's about ProductCamp. Started somewhere around 10 years ago, the concept is still new for Hyderabad. When we started this 3 years back, the whole idea was to learn, share, grow, and impact. And it very much boils down to the same thing today.
10 different industries, 100 unique organizations, and more than 21 varied profiles. That is what ProductCamp Hyderabad brings to the city of Hyderabad. We have received great response from the product organizations who have been supporting us as sponsors, right from the likes of Microsoft, ADP, Atlassian, and Optum Global. We have received excellent response so far. And I think there's a lot of potential that we see in Hyderabad from the product industry, and we are really happy that we are able to make a little contribution.
When we started Volume 1 of ProductCamp Hyderabad 3 years back, we saw close to 140 product professionals attending the camp. And last year at Volume 2, we had 175 product professionals from in and around Hyderabad attending ProductCamp Hyderabad.
It is not necessary that one should be a renowned speaker to share his or her piece of experience. Anyone who has built a product, whether it is a product management professional or product marketing or sales, product design, or even product strategy, can come and present his piece of learning.
ProductCamp Hyderabad is a unique conference which is one of its type in India, where audience decide to whom they want to listen to. I request all of you to grab this opportunity and get connected with your like-minded professionals.
There are very few events which provide you the right kind of environment wherein you can come forward and share your learnings and learn from other people.
Last year, I attended ProductCamp Hyderabad as an attendee, and I was super impressed by the content, speakers, and the quality of the event. This year, I wanted to take my association with ProductCamp Hyderabad forward by volunteering for Volume 3.
Dedicating my time as a volunteer helped me to expand my network, make new friends, boost my social skills. Learning from the product peers is what ProductCamp Hyderabad all about.
Today, the concept is being received in Hyderabad very gracefully. People are supporting enough to come forward, present their pitch without caring whether they will get selected as a speaker or not. Because there is a passion, there is willingness that I am here to learn and share. Share what I know, share with people who are in my community to help them grow and move forward in life.
ProductCamp Hyderabad Volume 3, Feb 2nd, 2019. See you there.